Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. This channel is a collection of easy and yummy version of food. And watch out for tips and tricks on cooking. And we travel places too. And in today's episode, we'll be cooking beef broccoli in garlic sauce. And I'll be giving you some tips on how to make your meat tender and moist, as well as veggies, which is crisp and tender. So come on, join me in my kitchen and let's get cooking. We'll start by slicing thinly the beef. And the next step is pounding the meat. And this hammer-like tool got its pointed part, and it will leave tiny holes on the meat, and that will make the meat tender and moist. Then we'll make the marinade by simply mixing light soy sauce with a dash of powdered pepper and dried garlic. And for the veggies, we are going to pre-cook them by simply boiling them in a few minutes. And these are the core of the stem of the broccoli, while these are the flowerets. This is broccoli alla romana, which resembles like a pine tree. Look at those pointed flowerets. And the taste of this Roman broccoli is much more sweeter and juicier compared to the other type of broccoli. And I'm going to also blanch the broccoli leaves, which is sometimes we just throw them away, but the fact is it is really good, delicious. Now we will prepare the garlic sauce. First, we chop our garlic. As well as the spring onions. We'll combine the spring onion and the chopped garlic in a bowl and leaving a little portion for the beef. Then we'll add the light soy sauce, the sesame oil, and the oyster sauce. Give a little mix and then incorporate cornstarch and mixing them well. And then we'll be adding a 1/3 cup of water. At this point, we'll sprinkle some cornstarch to the marinated beef. Give a little mix until cornstarch are all melted. Now let's heat up the oil with a medium fire. Then we stir fry the beef. By searing the meat, we are trapping all the juice. And as a result, the meat will be very juicy or succulent and full of flavor. And at this point, we are stirring them with a high heat, but only for a minute. Then we'll add the remaining garlic. Now we'll add our pre-cooked veggies. Then we'll add the garlic sauce. Then we'll continue to stir it until the sauce is thickened. Let's add a little water. Then lastly, we'll add the broccoli leaves that we had blanched. And voila, this is our beef broccoli in garlic sauce. And the beef is so tender, it almost melts in your mouth, and so succulent and really full of flavor. And the veggies, they are crisp and soft. And really, Asian cuisine is equals to flavor and lots of flavors. I hope you enjoyed our cooking episode for today. And if you want more recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe and see you every week. And thanks for watching. Please do take care. Stay well. God bless. Bye.